Hi guys, it's Chloe from Banggood channel. I'm very glad to tell you guys this video is for giveaways. Recently we have a lot of giveaways, so please keep focusing on Banggood channel. You will not miss any latest products, discount and price. So as you can see, the prize is Ulefone Armor 6. We will choose a winner who follows our rules. At the end of this video, I will explain the rules, so don't miss it, you might be the winner. Now I'm gonna show you what is the box inside. A foam itself, a needle, manual, protective frame, Type-C transfer, OTG cable, and data cables, EU charger and stick. The Ulefone Armor 6 is equipped with Android 8.1 OS system, dual camera, 5000 mAh battery, and 60GB RAM, 128GB ROM. And also it supports the wireless charge, face unlock, and fingerprint ID. Now let's check the video. Well, let's talk about the rules of this giveaway. At end screen or at description, you can see the link. Click the link, you could enter shopping page. Purchase any product above $1, you will automatically to join this giveaway. We will announce the winner in January 20. You can check the result in this video or community. But make sure you use the link from end screen or description. Now, wish you all the best and good luck!